So you want to know how to get Minecraft mods with Curseforge? Well, I have the solution for you. You have to go to curseforge.com and press Get Curseforge app here and download a standalone. So download the Curseforge, press here, saving, and wait to the download to finish. Double click to initialize the installation. And once you open the installation, you have to pick the language, like here, English, next, accept, next, and there it is, installing Curseforge. So once you download Curseforge, you have to initialize this application. So I'm going to make a cut here. After installation finish, I will open the app. Okay, so after you finish the installation of Curseforge, you have to pick here Minecraft and then go to Browse. And here in Browse, you will find a lot of mod packs like Crazy Craft Updated, Amnesia, Bear MC, Audimos 9, Pixelmon here. Look, I have the Craft to Exile 2, so this is the way you can get access to a ton of mod packs to Minecraft. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, comments, and see you next time. Easy way.